In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone on Pinterest. Whether you're on desktop or using the mobile app, the process is quick once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through each click so you can locate the exact profile you need. First, open Pinterest. On a computer, go to pinterest.com in your browser. In the app, just launch Pinterest from your home screen. You can search without an account, but if you plan to follow someone or save their content, make sure you're signed in so you have all features available. Next, click or tap the search bar at the top of the screen. You'll see a cursor and in many cases a few trending ideas or recent searches. This is your starting point for narrowing down to the right person. Type the person's name or their exact username. If you know a brand or business name, that works too. Be as specific as possible. Include middle initials, niche terms, or a location if it helps distinguish them from others with similar names. Pay attention to spelling and special characters, and don't worry if suggestions start appearing as you type. When you see the suggestion that best matches your intent, select it. Choosing the highlighted suggestion helps Pinterest understand exactly what you're looking for and runs the search based on that specific phrase, instead of a broader guess. Now refine the results so you're only seeing accounts. At the top of the results page, switch to the Profiles view. This filters out pins and boards, leaving you with a list of people and businesses that match your search. If you're on a layout that shows filter controls, confirm your choice with the Apply button to lock in the Profiles filter. Some versions update automatically, but if you do see Apply, make sure to click it so your results refresh correctly. Browse the profiles that appear and look for key identifiers: the profile photo, the exact username spelling, a short bio, and any linked website or verified badges. If you're still seeing too many results, return to the search bar and add another keyword like a city, workplace, or topic they're known for, then select the closest suggestion again. If nothing shows up, try alternate spellings, spacing variations, or a different version of their name. That's all there is to it. Open Pinterest, use the search bar, select the most relevant suggestion, switch to profiles, and apply the filter. With those steps, you'll zero in on the right person quickly and confidently.